Talaga guys, hindi ko talaga ini-expect na maganito ang aking life na pa-travel na lang ako at nakarating ako dito sa palasyo. At may 24K gold! Ha? It's actually 24K gold. And look at this video. On their queue, kasi magpapapicture sila. Filipino. Okay. Kasi I asked her, kabayan. Ha, hindi daw siya kabayan. Now, I'm looking for these people. Makasamahan ko. I lost them. And I don't know where are they now. Asanak ba sila? Oh, CR. I need CR. Yes. Where is the CR here? Ayun na sila. Okay. Now, I'm gonna ask this guy, where is the washroom or toilet? Excuse? Sir, where's the toilet? Toilet?
Toilet behind this. No, behind that.
This one with the two ladies
Silver
over
box
there?
behind the silver
Box. Alright, thank you. Okay. Ayan guys, ito talaga nawala. Ma-upload ko kaagad ito kasi may voice over na ang dami. Super laki talaga dito. Laob pa lang to, wala pa yung sa labas. Palasyo! Palasyo siya ng UAE. Oh, grabe. Hi, thanks God. Nakarating ako dito nang dahil sa Riway business. So, ayan, may mga... Actually, hindi ko naintindihan kung nasaan ang CR. But he was pointing, alright, it's over there. Let me see, where's the way? Oh, let me ask this guy again. Excuse me, where's the toilet? Alright, thank you. Okay. So, diba, galing naman nila tito at tita, oh. Ginawa nila ay mag-tour na sila. Wala silang ginagawa sa buhay nila, kundi mag-tour na lang. Ito ba yung CR? No. Of course this is not. I don't know what's inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ito guys, yung video. Catch up nyo lang mata nyo kasi really in a hurry. Where's for the lady? Female. So that man, okay. The CR. Smells good. Oh, that's so huge. Okay. O, diba? Yan. Narinig niyo pa ang utot ni ate. Oy. Naku, yung mag-CR dyan. Wala lang CR nila. Anyway, I'll wait.